Literally hundreds of times in the last 30 years have I had to tell people it's just too badly damaged, it's not repairable, you have to get rid of your leather. And I hate it. So that's why I want you to watch and learn the pro tips that I use to condition and protect leather so you can enjoy its beauty for decades to come. Instead, just follow along with these tips. Your leather's going to stay soft and supple. You can remove scratches from the surface, and the color is beautifully enhanced, just like this one. This is going to work for any leather that you can scratch mark with your fingernail, I promise you. And it's not just for furniture. Bags and jackets and shoes work this way too. To walk you through this, I'm going to show you exactly how I dealt with these leather chairs at a country club this May. And at the end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip that is super valuable. First one is really easy. Remove all the cushions you can so that you can work from seam to seam all the way down evenly of the cushions. Second, you're going to condition the leather and you're going to wax the leather. So you want to pick a good leather conditioner and a good leather wax. The third tip is really important. I always pre-test conditioner and wax somewhere below the cushion line. When the cushion's in place, you won't see it. So you can check if there's color coming off or if it's going too dark. In this case, I use that front rail. Fourth, you want a separate sponge for the conditioning process and the wax process. So in this case, I had a round one for the conditioner and a square one for the wax. No confusion. This next tip might seem small, but it's not. I want you to spread out the wax or the conditioner on the sponge. When you apply it, it'll apply more evenly, it won't glob up, and it won't make an extra dark spot in the leather. Next, this process will remove scratches. Honestly, the whole reason I got this job is because kids had scratched up the leather. So if you use conditioner and firmly buff the area, evenly going over it as we've discussed, you can take out scratches. I'm telling you, this next step might be the most important. I need you to apply the conditioner in a circular motion firmly and evenly over an entire panel. It's going to give you the rich, even color we're looking for. When there's problems, it's always going to be the main areas, the headrests, the arms, the seat cushion. So apply a second coat in these areas. Use a hair dryer to dry out the moisture and set in the conditioner. It will give you the rich and even look you want. All these results so far have just been achieved with conditioner, but now we're going to add a leather wax to protect those high wear spots, the arms, the headrest, the seats from water and oil stains. Hey, Chris here. Before I give you that really important bonus tip, I just wanted to stop for a second. Thank you for watching my video and ask you, would you like it or would you subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more leather care tips and watching some of the leather projects I do along the way. Thanks. I appreciate it. This bonus tip is a lifesaver. If an area is a little too dark when you're done, you can stretch it, you can pull it, you can warm it, and you can dry buff it firmly, and it'll actually lighten back up some. In conclusion, this is the before and after of that country club job. They loved it, and it gives the leather a protection and a beauty that will last for years to come. Do it twice a year. You won't regret it.